What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over the whole crypto market as a broad. Okay, so let's look at the whole entire crypto market here. So everything is pretty much up here. We have Bitcoin up in the last 7 days, 17%, last 24 hours, 3.57%. We have Ethereum 2.15%, and we have all this other stuff that's up. We have Dogecoin and all this other stuff. Polkadot, everything is going crazy today. So definitely a good day inside the crypto market here. AMP up a whole 31%. There's been a lot of talk about AMP lately. Actually, looking at Google Trends, everything is about AMP. So going over here, let's go over here to Google Trends and then just type in crypto. Watch the first thing that comes up when you type in crypto and look for the past hour. Everything is on AMP. So AMP crypto price prediction 2022, and then AMP crypto Reddit. We have a lot of stuff talking about AMP. Looking for the past 4 hours, probably some more AMP stuff. So no, we're looking up staking and where you can buy safe mean blah blah blah. And let's look for the past day here, because I've been hearing a lot about AMP, and AMP is up huge right now. So AMP price prediction 2022. So yeah, AMP crypto price, AMP crypto prediction, AMP crypto AMP. Yeah, everything is AMP. Look at this, all of it is AMP. So yeah, AMP is going crazy right now. So yeah, a lot of cryptos are getting a lot of gain right now. So what is the reason we are having this whole gain? It's because there was so much FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and now it's kind of settling in. Now it's kind of like people are now looking at it like, okay, I think these people are actually onto something. I think the crypto guys are actually onto something. So another thing, look over here. So 1111 Hotel and Residence co-founder on collecting crypto deposits on real estate. Enthusiasm astounding. So even real estate investors, they're accepting payments through crypto. So they're accepting their rent payments from their real estate people inside of crypto. So that's a really big statement right there, that now investors with real estate are getting in crypto. Now we have the stock market people in crypto. Now we just need to get more people in crypto. Like, we need to get the businesses like Walmart to invest some of their profits into crypto. We need to have Tesla accepting Bitcoin again, but first we have to have that clean energy. So yeah, lots is going on here with Bitcoin and crypto and in general. So look, 1111 Hotel and Residence co-founder Mark Roberts claims he's the first to allow cryptocurrency deposits on real estate, telling Mornings with Marriott. So yeah, he's saying that he's the first to do this. So I guess he's just trying to get some street cred here with that. So yeah, he is the first. I guess this is his website here. It looks pretty good. It looks like it's really well managed. So definitely a cool website here. But let's keep reading this. The co-founder of the condominium complex in Miami, Florida, shout out to Florida, that's where I'm at, noted that the enthusiasm for crypto, especially coming off the conference in Miami, has been really astounding. So Miami has been a huge breeding ground for crypto, especially Bitcoin. So let's keep reading here. But Roberts was referencing the Bitcoin 2021 conference, and he said 50,000 people attended, blah blah blah, rapid growth for crypto. That's definitely going to help the whole crypto market inside Miami. Like 50,000 people, and most of the people there probably lived in Miami, and a lot of people came flying in. But that means a lot of Miami residents are really getting big on crypto right now. So crypto and real estate about to be something that's really big. So definitely look out for that. So we have a lot more news. So remember Thailand banning coins, meme coins and stuff. Yeah. So supposedly it's not going to be stuff that's already on exchanges like Dogecoin and all this other stuff, but I don't know if that is 100% true. So we're gonna wait on that. I'm not gonna talk too much about it because I don't 100% know if they're gonna actually do it for like everything. But all we know right now is that they are banning meme coins. We don't know if they're gonna ban the current ones or not. So let's keep reading here. Italian regulator says unsupervised spread of crypto is cause for concern. So they're saying if the unregulated crypto is pretty much is cause for concern. So the people of Thailand, right? First, they put regulations on crypto and ban meme coins, right? And now you're getting, first it was China, and then it was Thailand, and now Italy. So Italian regulator says, so they're trying to regulate this in Italy as well now. So that's now it's 3 countries. So that's kind of bad, but at least El Salvador is accepting it as, a legal tender. And Canada is actually having their own ETF. So they're making their own ETFs out in Canada. So we have good things with crypto, but we also have a lot of FUD here. We also have a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So it says Italy's stock market regulator said Monday the unregulated spread of cryptocurrencies is a cause for concern. So I would say if they're going to regulate it, don't do big regulations. Only do something like making sure everyone has to report all their earnings report their earnings, But I don't think crypto should be taxed because we're not gaining money. Like, we're literally getting untaxed money from our taxed money from other people. Because look, people put their taxed money into crypto, and then when you pull out, that means you're pulling out their taxed money. So you're putting in your taxed money and you're pulling out with some of their taxed money in it. So it's kind of a weird thing when you think about it. But yeah, pretty much, let's say I put $1 million in crypto, right? I put $1 million. Let's go over here to Dogecoin. Let's just do Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the biggest. So I put $1 million in Bitcoin, right? My $1 million ends up shooting Bitcoin up to $40,300, right? Now you put in $10 million yesterday. So you see that just with the 40,300. So I just now put $1 million there. So yeah, you put 10 million in yesterday and it was already at 39,000. So your 10 million took it to 40, and then my 1 million took it to 40,300. So now I take my 1 million out, but now I'm taking it out against your 10. So a little bit of your 10 is now lost because now this 300 is going to go down to 100. So once this 300 goes down to 100, now I just took out some of that money. So some of that market cap came out and came into my wallet, but it was already taxed by you. You already put in your taxed money. So when I took it out, I took out some of your taxed money and I put in my taxed money. So when I take it out, I'm taking out some of your taxed money, some of my taxed money, some of Jim's tax money, some of Joe's tax money, some of everybody's tax money that they already taxed. That's why taxing crypto literally makes no sense. It's literally a crime to tax crypto because now we're getting taxed twice. And yeah, I really feel passionate about that. So that's why I'm like getting heated here, because look, this is tax money. Like, we have already been taxed on this money, yet when we make these gains, that we're getting retaxed. So that is criminal, that is illegal, and yet the government is still trying to regulate it and tax us on it even more, which is why I tell you the government really does not give a flying F about anybody but themselves, and they're trying to regulate this for themselves. They're not trying to regulate it to help us, they're trying to regulate it to help them. So that is my stance on that. So the whole regulation with crypto, as long as it's a small regulation saying I invested this into crypto and I made these profits from that crypto, that's cool. But the second you start putting all those tax exemptions, all these tax things on it, no, that's not cool. We definitely need the tax exemptions for crypto. We do not need to pay taxes on crypto. Stock market, that's a whole nother thing, because when you put money in the stock market, that's value inside of an actual company. So when the price of your money goes up, it's because the price of the company is going up and their untaxed money is flowing into the stock. So that's why you have to pay money on stocks. So that's just to put little things in perspective there. Yeah, that got a little carried away there, but still, the Netherlands should regulate crypto instead of banning it. So this is another thing, more FUD right here. So Dutch finance minister, can't pronounce that name, is confident that supervision is more effective than banning crypto. It's definitely more effective to watch crypto than banning it. So just make sure you supervise it, make sure people aren't scamming people out there, make sure people aren't putting scam tokens out there. But let people invest inside of cryptos, but just make sure the scams are away, right? So a crypto ban is not the right solution for the Netherlands. The country's finance minister reportedly said after a local official called for a total ban on crypto. So a local official said they want a ban on it, and then the prime minister or the finance minister said, no, it does not need to be banned. It just needs to be watched. It needs to be observed, and we need to make sure there's nobody scamming and doing illegal things in there. That's all we need to do. We don't need to regulate it. We need to speculate it. So that's what they're talking about here, and that I definitely agree with that. They need to supervise it, not speculate, but they need to supervise it. So yeah, the Netherlands should regulate the cryptocurrency market instead of prohibiting its citizens from using crypto entirely. I definitely agree. Dutch Minister of Finance, that's who is saying it. So I definitely believe that it should be supervised, not banned. Like, that's kind of messed up to ban it, especially inside what's happening in China, Thailand. I mean, so many different places. But anyway, let's keep going here. Playing catch up in crypto. So banks are now playing catch up because we've already made so much profit off it. So now they want to make profit too. So that's another reason why we have all these price jumps. Let's go back here. So look at this, 18%, like all these different price jumps. These are banks putting in money. Like, the normal everyday person doesn't have about $100 billion, because remember, we were just now at 650 billion market cap. Now we're at 755 billion in a matter of 2 days. These are banks, these are institutions. These are big whales putting money in there. So don't just think that it's going up because people are not having too much FUD. It's going up because of the banks and stuff are not ending FUD, but they want to get in on it before it goes up, which means we are about to go on an uptrend here. We are about to go on another bull run. So July is about to be huge here. So it says, as banks recognize their customers' growing interest in cryptos, they are asking the vendors that provide their core banking software that for help in offering crypto services. So that's definitely good. So would it move Bitcoin to their bank? 81% said they would move Bitcoin to their bank. Would not move Bitcoin to their bank. 19% said that they would not. Me personally, I would not, because that kind of takes away the point of decentralization, and it also takes away the point of crypto. Like, the whole point of crypto is to have banks not regulating your money, not holding your money, not having access to your money, only you having access to your money. Like, that's the whole point of crypto. So them doing that, I mean, it's good for some people. Like, the 81% of people that do it, there are people that believe in traditional financing, and probably the people that are like baby boomers and stuff like that. No offense to the baby boomers, because we have a lot of them that are the really big whales in here that would not want all their money inside of the banks. But, you know, we have both sides on here. So let's keep looking at what we have here. So the next thing we need to look at here is the 10 promising cryptos. So XRP. So this is XRP. So countless crypto experts are eyeing Ripple XRP's token for its utility factor. Apart from being a cryptocurrency, Ripple is also an exchange where users can transfer funds globally faster than traditional banks. Another unique Ripple holds as an exchange is the fact that though a user will send, for example, $100 to a friend in Australia in the form of XRP Ripple tokens, the recipient will get the money in their native currency. So if I send you XRP tokens, you will get the money in your native currency. If you live all the way in Australia, you're not going to get the XRP tokens. You're going to get your Australian money. So this efficient usage has made XRP one of the strongest buys. That's what they're saying. Me personally, what I would recommend is Cardano, Tron, Polygon. XRP is good, don't get me wrong, but Cardano, Tron, Polygon, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Chainlink's pretty good. Binance Coin is going to prosper anyway, just because of the whole Binance exchange. Binance Coin is bound to prosper. So Binance Coin, these are all pretty much good stuff to get here. Uniswap and Bitcoin Cash. A lot of people are sleeping on Bitcoin Cash, but Bitcoin Cash is really good. Let's look up BCH. BCH, see where this is. So Bitcoin Cash is at $632, up a whole 3% today. So yeah, not much, but still, Bitcoin Cash is a good buy. It's ranked number 11 in market cap, total of 11.8 billion market cap. And you know, it's almost like a ripoff of Bitcoin. As you can see, the gains are way less than Bitcoin, but it follows Bitcoin in a way. So if you buy this, you can definitely expect it to see 10K, 50K, 100K. Just expect that, because you got to think Bitcoin is going to reach 100K. Bitcoin is going to reach 200K. Bitcoin is going to reach 300K. Bitcoin is going to reach 500K. You see where I'm going with this? Bitcoin is going to continue to rise, which in retrospect, all of these cryptos are going to rise. Now, some of them don't have as much use cases, so some of them won't rise as much as others, and some of them may not rise at all. But remember, it's only a very few that won't. But AMP, I definitely want to check out AMP. I'll make a separate video on AMP, because AMP is going crazy right now. But yeah, I'll make a separate video on that, because it's just what's going on with it. You need a whole video on AMP right now. So let's keep moving on here. So the next thing, 7 key things that happened in crypto over the past week. So this is just to go over. FBI recovers 2.3 million inside of Bitcoin paid in the Colonial Pipeline ransom. We already talked about that. 2, El Salvador passes. So this is pretty much talking about all the catalysts, right? All of our major catalysts that are either going to bring us up or bring us down. So this right here, the fact that they found the money and that they were able to easily recover it, it may help us rise. But just the fact that criminals used Bitcoin will probably make us fall. So, you know, it's like a positive and negative right there. So 2, El Salvador passes legalization to adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender. Now, this is going to be a major catalyst sending us up, and this is also another reason why we're up so much today inside of all the cryptos, and reason why Bitcoin is up so much in the past 7 days. So that's really good news there. And then we have over here 3, the Senator Elizabeth Warren calls for crypto regulation inside the U.S. And yeah, I don't know about that. As long as they don't regulate it too much, I mean, I'll be fine. But this is a negative catalyst. So far we have 2 negative catalysts and we have 1 positive catalyst. So over here, Bitcoin 2021 conference attendees report testing positive for COVID. I mean, this has nothing to do with Bitcoin, but yeah, I guess they tested positive for the you know what. But yeah, I guess so. So CryptoPunk NFT sells for record $11.7 million at Sotheby's auction. It's good for Bitcoin, I guess, or crypto, but it's not really as much inside of the crypto world. Yes, NFTs are inside the crypto world, but it's not as much of a catalyst as you would think. It's just someone buying a non-fungible token. And then the first Bitcoin upgrade in 4 years. Yes, yes, yes. The Taproot list is coming out. The first Bitcoin upgrade in 4 years was approved on Saturday. It will take effect in November, and it will be better than the blockchain in a number of ways. First, it will increase transaction privacy and efficiency. In addition, the upgrade will allow for smart contracts, which can power applications like DeFi or decentralized finance, which is already a key part of the Ethereum blockchain. The most important thing for Taproot is smart contracts. So that is the most important thing there. So this is another big major catalyst that's going to send Bitcoin just skyrocketing, which will then send all of these other altcoins skyrocketing too. Because remember, they follow Bitcoin. When Bitcoin goes up, all these investors, all these huge investors, they see that it's going up. They're like, okay, Bitcoin already went up by so much. We already have money in there. Let's take money and throw it in all these other altcoins because they're going to rise as well, because the popularity of Bitcoin will then lead into other altcoins. So that is also good news there. And then we also have this other thing. Elon Musk suggests Tesla may accept Bitcoin again as a payment. So yeah, Bitcoin being accepted again by Tesla. So on Sunday, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said the company will resume accepting Bitcoin as payment when there's confirmation of reasonable 50% clean energy. So once there's 50% of clean energies, then yes, they will accept it as a payment. And he said, I already read this yesterday, so I'm probably not going to read this. But yeah, pretty much he's saying that once we have 50% of renewable energy and clean energy, he will then lead the Bitcoin revolution up with Tesla accepting Bitcoin. So that is more good news there. And then we have Goldman expanding in crypto trading with plans for Ether options. So we have more things that are happening, more major catalysts that are going to help send us to the moon. You already know Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated. Yeah. Big stock, $372 worth. So big money going on right now inside the crypto space. And Tanzania's president urges central bank to prepare for crypto. So Tanzania is urging their central bank to prepare for crypto. And Tanzania, if you don't know, it's a country inside of Africa. It is all the way over here in Africa, on the west coast of Africa. And now they're going to start having the crypto. And it's a pretty big country when you look at it. So a lot of people inside that country. So Tanzania is about to have crypto. Really beautiful city right here on the coastline here. Looks just like any other city you would go to. So a lot of money is about to flow through here inside Tanzania. So definitely watch out for that. And they have some really nice structures out here. But yeah, lots of stuff going on inside of the crypto space. So yeah, just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just a recap on everything that's going on inside of crypto right now. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. And actually, before we leave this video, the number one crypto I would recommend everyone to get in on would be Bitcoin, obviously, because Bitcoin is the top crypto, obviously. So Bitcoin is the one that everyone really wants to be in on. But always be in on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin. I'm huge on Dogecoin and Shiba Inu because you have to support the meme coins. Or I don't even like calling them meme coins, but there's a lot of other cryptos like Polkadot's good. I mean, almost all of these different altcoins are good. Like Solana is good. I mean, people hate on Litecoin, but I like Litecoin. I just like it. I mean, people hate on it, but it has really low transaction fees. Litecoin is just a good coin overall. It's a good coin to really do payments. And you know, like if you owe your friend like $5, send them $5 through Litecoin, and you won't get finessed with them transaction fees. But yeah, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.